Are you ready to elevate your gardening game? Today we'll uncover the secrets to growing okra. This vibrant vegetable is easy to cultivate and delicious to eat. Let's dig deep into this ultimate guide. Okra, known for its unique pods and health benefits, thrives in warm climates. Understanding its growth requirements is crucial. Let's explore how to successfully grow this stunning plant step by step. First, choose the right location. Okra loves full sunlight. Select a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of sun daily. This ensures optimal growth and a bountiful harvest. Next, prepare your soil. Okra prefers well-drained, sandy loam soil. Enrich it with compost before planting. This provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure. Now, it's time to plant seeds. Wait until the soil temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius. Plant seeds 1 inch deep and spaced about 12 inches apart. Water the seeds gently after planting to initiate germination. Watering is essential. Okra requires consistent moisture, especially during dry spells. However, avoid overwatering. Soil should be moist, not soggy. You can test moisture by sticking a finger into the soil. Fertilizing your plants will nourish their growth. Use a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Follow the instructions on the package for best results. Keep an eye out for pests. Aphids and beetles may attack your okra. Introduce beneficial insects, like ladybugs, to control them naturally. Hand-picking pests can also be effective. Harvesting time is exciting. Harvest okra pods when they are 3 to 4 inches long. Aim for a tender texture. Use sharp scissors to avoid damaging the plant. Let's visualize this process. Imagine a warm summer day. You step into your garden, basking under the sun. You gently pluck ripe okra pods off the plant. Each pod is a reward for your hard work. To recap, we learned how to choose a suitable location, prepare soil, plant seeds, water, fertilize, manage pests, and harvest. Growing okra is a rewarding experience, packed with flavor and nutrition. Now it's your turn. Grab some seeds and start your okra garden today. Don't forget to share your progress and ask questions in the comments. Let's grow together.